नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ स्टूडेंट डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. So student, today's topic is heterocyclic compounds. The heterocyclic compounds that contain the ring composed of a carbon and other atoms like heteroatoms in a nature are known as a heterocyclic compound. Mostly the nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen are present as a heteroatom in these heterocyclic compounds. The heterocyclics exist in a three-way like 4-member ring, 5-member ring, 6-member ring and a multi-member ring. The stability of heterocyclic increases with less distortion bond, like less strain that are in a 5 and a 6-member ring, because a big ring has a less hindrance. Next, the stability of heterocyclic compound increases with the maximum number of conjugated double bond, because the delocalization pi bond electron pairs from the molecular pi orbital fills with the 6 electron and the compound have aromatic characteristics and the compound become more stable. Some rings, in spite of 5 or 6 member, are not stable heterocyclic. For example, the cyclic hemacetal. So this kind of acetals are from the monosaccharides and are equilibria with the open acyclic form. Next is the cyclic ester are also this kind of member which are not more stable. Okay, now the nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. The cyclic ethers, amine, and the sulfides behave like their acyclic analogues with the same function group and do not require the spatial discussion. The aromatic heterocyclics with the maximum number of a conjugated double bond are much more important. So, here you can see the 5-member, the 6-member and the multi-member rings heterocyclic compound. Here you can see in a first row the 5-member ring which is having a N and O as a heteroatom in the ring. So first is a pyrrole having a nitrogen as a heteroatom and pyrrolidine. No double bond is present in this ring, and next is the imidazole. The double bond and 2 heteroatoms are present. Thiazole, the 2 heteroatoms are present, S and N. Thiophene, 1 heteroatom S is present. Thiolane, 1 heteroatom with a no double bond. Furine with the oxygen heteroatom, or tetrahydrofuran with the oxygen heteroatom and no double bond. So these are the 5-member heterocyclic compound. Next is a 6-member heterocyclic compound. You can see here pyridine with a N heteroatom and a double bond. The piperidine with a N heteroatom but no double bond present in this ring. Now second is a pyrimidine. Pyrimidine is with a 2 heteroatom nitrogen and with the double bond present in a ring. Next is pyrazine with a 2 heteroatom, but the position of the N is different from the previous one. Next is azepine. Azepine is a 8-member ring with a nitrogen heteroatom, 1,4-diazepine with a 2 nitrogen atom, and 4H pyrene with an oxygen heteroatom, 6-member ring, and tetrahydropyrene is a 6-member with the oxygen heteroatom ring. So these are the 6 or 8-member ring. Now the multi ring of heteroatom, indole is a multi-atom. One is a 6 and one is a 5-member ring having a N is a heteroatom. Quinolone having a 2 6-member ring having a nitrogen heteroatom. Now next is the isoquinolone with a nitrogen heteroatom with a different position. Chromane with a 2 6-member ring with the oxygen as a heteroatom. Next is a purine with a nitrogen heteroatom, 1 6-member and 1 5-member ring, and 4 nitrogen heteroatoms are present in this purine. And next is a petridine having a 4 nitrogen heteroatom with a 2 6-member ring. So the nomenclature of the heterocyclic compound. The heterocyclic compound, the common name are used on the basis of the ring. Okay, the rings with the maximum double bonds are furane, pyrrole, indole, pyridines. Okay, the saturated ring system. Either the prefix for the saturated ring system, the prefix will be used the dihydro, tetrahydro, perhydro. Okay, for a 5-member ring the prefix will be used ene, like pyrroline, pyrrolidine, and for the 6-member ring the prefix will be used piperidine, piperazine. Okay, so these are the example of a 5-member and a 6-member ring nomenclature. Now, if we see the synthotometric nomenclature of the heterocyclic ring, the prefix indicate the number of heteroatoms. The name indicates that the type of the heteroatom, which type of heteroatom present in a heterocyclic compound. The ending of the number of the ring members are also known as a saturated or the unsaturated compound. So in this table you can see the number of heteroatom. If a di and tri, the heteroatom like as, thi or azo, nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Okay, the number of rings will be 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Okay, for the unsaturated the prefix will be at, all, in, epine, ocean. Okay, and the saturated for the irene, etidine, irene, olane and epiene. Okay. So the replacement names may also be used occasionally. So the nitrogen containing heterocyclic compounds are a basic compound. Okay, unless the unshared electron pair of a nitrogen is conjugated with a pi electron pair of a double bond, that is the unless it take part on the formation of the aromatic 6 electron pi cloud. The pyridine is a weak base. The unshared electron pair of a nitrogen atom can bind a proton by the coordinate to give the pyridinium cation. Okay, so this is the simple reaction what happened the unsaturated compound having the nitrogen pyrrole combined with the hydrogen ion, and it will give the pyridium cation in this ring. So it is a weak base which is used in a basic synthesis of a heterocyclic compound. Thank you very much.